You filming?
Yep.
Okay, so we're getting ready to cross into Delaware. We're in Maryland right now, but we're headed into Delaware. I believe this is the first time for me and Mommy and Daddy too.
Yeah.
Yep, I think so. Just happened to cough.
It's okay. Dover,
Delaware is this direction.
It's okay.
And we're kind of still out in the middle of the country here, TJ.
Yep.
Haven't seen too many signs of life here.
Nope.
Except for some goats and some farm animals. Farmland.
So TJ, what number state is this? Is this number 14? Plus the District of Columbia? District of Columbia is not really a state.
I think Florida was 14, and so I think Maryland from last time, I think it was maybe 16, I don't know.
Oh, wow. Okay.
That many? We'll have to count them up, won't we?
Yeah.
See how many states you have.
Okay, I believe we are coming up to it.
Alright, well, I'm filming.
Yep.
Okay.
Just about to get us in the line in the frame now, so yep.
Okay, this is exciting. We're about to cross into Delaware.
Prepare to turn right in half a mile.
Oh, this sign up here says something. Let's see what it says. I think it says Delaware.
Does it?
I think it does. It says, welcome to Delaware. There it is. It's a white sign. White, green, and blue.
Yep. Welcome to Delaware. So
Endless discovery.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto SR 44, Everett's Corner Road.
And we're going to Dover.
Yep,
Going
so
to
we made it
Dover.
to Delaware. Dover says 28 minutes.
Alrighty.
And the trees are still blooming up here.
Yep.
Now turn right.
Yep, I wonder if we'll find a Dover elevator in Dover, Delaware.
Don't know.